In this video, we will be starting our third chapter from NCERT, that is playing with numbers. So first topic that we will understand in this chapter is factors. Now what are factors? See, factors are the exact divisor of that number. Let's take a number. For example, let's take a number 12. Now 12 is divided by 1. 1 into 12 is 12. So if we divide 12 by 1, we get 12 as an answer. 12 is divided by 2 completely, we get 6. 12 is divided by 3 completely. 12 is divided by 4. 12 is divided by 6. And 12 is divided by 12. See, these numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12 are the exact divisors of the number 12, which means if we divide 12 by 1, we get 12. We divide 12 by 2, we get 6. 12 by 3 we get 4. 4, so we get 4. If we divide 12 by 4, we get 3. If we divide 12 by 6, 6 2s are 12, so we get 2 as an answer. If we divide 12 by 12, we get 1 as an answer. So these all the numbers are the exact divisors of that number, which is 12. So these are known as your factors. Factors are the exact divisors of that number. Properties of factors. See, number 1. 1 is a factor of every number. Which means if you take a number 6, you multiply it with 1, you get 6. If you take a number 6, you divide it by 1, you get 6 as an answer. If you take number 2, 1, 3, 9, you divide that number by 1, you get the answer 2, 1, 3, 9. So 1 is a factor of every number. Second is every number is a factor of itself, which means 6 divided by 6 we get 1. 2139 divided by 2139 we get 1. So every number is a factor of itself because every number divides itself completely. Every factor of a number is exact divisor of that number, which means that if I take a number is 6, so its factors are 1 is a factor of every number, then 2 because 2 divides 6 completely, 3 and 6 because every number is a factor of itself. So 6 is divided by 1, we get 6. 6 divided by 2, we get 3. 6 divided by 3, we get 2. And 6 divided by 6, we get 1. So every factor, these are the factors. Every factor of a number is the exact divisor of that number. It's dividing 6 exactly. Fourth, every factor is less than or equal to the given number. 6 is the number, so the factor is 6 is equal to, and the rest the factors are smaller than 6. So every factor is less than or equal to the given number. Fifth is number of factors of a given number finite, which means they are limited. These can be counted and they are finite only. They are not infinite because the highest factor of itself will be the same number. This is the question. Find the factors of 36 and 68. We have to find the factors of 36 and 68. Now let's find the factors of 36, which divides 36 completely. 1 is the factor of every number. 2 is the factor, it divides 36, which means that 36 divided by 2 is 18. Then 3 is the factor, because 36 divided by 3 you get 1 and 2, 12. So 3 is the factor. 4 is the factor, as 36 divided by 4 you get 9. Then 6 is the factor, 36 divided by 6 you get 6. Then its factor is 8 a factor of 36? No. Then let's see 9. 9 is the factor of 36. Yes, it divides it by 4. So 9 is the factor. Then 10 is not the factor, 11 is not the factor. Let's see 12. 12 is the factor. Yes, it's 3. So 12 is the factor of 36. Then 13 is not the factor, 14 is not the factor, 15 is not the factor, 16 also not the factor of 36. 18, 36 divided by 18 we get, yes, 2. So 18 is the factor and the last factor is 36. So in this way you have to find out the factors of 36. Now if I say the factors of 68. 1 is the factor, 2 is the factor, then 4 is the factor, 3 is not the factor, then 8 is not the factor, 9 is also not the factor, then 17 is the factor, 34 is the factor, and 68 is the factor. Now if you have to find out the common factors between 36 and 68. So can you find out their common factor? 1 is the common factor, then 2 is the common factor, and then 4 is the common factor. Right? In this question, we have to find out the common factor between 23 and 25. So 23 factors are 1 and 23 only, because 23 does not come in any number. If I talk about factors of 5, the factors are 1, 5 and 25. Right? So the common factor between 23 and 25 is 1. Only 1 is the common factor between 23 and 25. So the numbers having 1 as their common factor are called co-prime numbers. Right? So the numbers having only 1 as a common factor, these numbers are having 1 only as a common factor. So these numbers are known as the co-prime numbers, and this is how you find out the common factor. First take out the factors of both the numbers and then see the common factors and write down. If there are no common factors, so 1 is the factor of all the numbers, so 1 will be the common factor. And the numbers having 1 as a common factor are known as your co-prime numbers. I hope you like our video. Please download our Scholars Learning app and enjoy the learning experience with us.